we had a little bit of a hiccup with the Cadillac here, and that had some sparking from my battery cable. Looking a little unsafe, so we went ahead and put on some all new stuff for that, electrical there. And while I was there, my mechanic noticed that I was getting a little bit of leakage from the under the valve covers. I still don't know. I'm pretty sure this engine has probably been rebuilt at some point, but given the age of whatever it was since then, you probably still see a little residual right in there. But had him go ahead and put new valve cover gaskets on it, just to take care of that. That's the sort of thing where it's like, if I am trying to sell this car, you should take care of little stuff like that, because I don't know about you, but I hate when I'm looking at car ads and it's the people list, well, it's got this and this and this, but they're all easy fixes. And my attitude with that is, well, if it's an easy fix, then why don't you just fix it before you sell it? Because it kind of says something about the seller that they won't take care of the easy stuff. Does that mean they're also ignoring the hard stuff? I think so. But anyway, just a quick video, let you know. Of course, because it was at the shop, it went from being clean to completely filthy. Looks like it's just surface stuff, so hopefully I just get in there with my poor man's wash method that you've seen me here feature, give that a try on the Cadillac and get some of this gook off. Ugh. Anyway, well, we're in for some more cold weather in Indiana, so still gonna be a while before the girl gets to stretch her legs some more, but looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, and please do hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it.